Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time again. We're going to do an unboxing of Boxy Charm. So we're just going to focus on Boxy Charm on this particular video. I know in the past I have combined Boxy Charm and Ipsy, but I wanted to go ahead and just start separating the different subscription boxes so we can get more into detail and focus on specifically what's in one box at a time. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another great video of unboxing by Grow You Foxy. I'm Foxy by Nature, and let's jump right in. So here we have our Boxy Charm box, and it came one time this month. It wasn't too late. So we're just going to open it up and see what our theme is this month. Keep in mind, Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription. That's $25 per month. You get 5 full-size items in your subscription box every month. And the retail values are endless because you get full-size subscriptions. So I'm going to read you the retail values of each of the products that I open and reveal. Okay, so the first item in the box, it's called a Probiotic Lash Enhancer. You can take a look at that. Probiotic Lash Enhancer with patented peptide technology created by X-Lash Peptides inventor Dr. Lily Fan. Okay. And also, the Boxy Charm theme for this month is Go All Out. So we're going to see how we're going to go all out in this box. Okay, so this lash enhancer that we just talked about, that actually retails for $68. Can you believe that? This is actually $68. And keep in mind, the box is only $25 per month. So it's a no-brainer to get a subscription box like Boxy Charm. So we're going to open this up. I just want to get an idea of what this lash enhancer applicator looks like. So we're going to open it up. So it just comes in a little tube. It kind of looks like a mascara tube. So that way you can see that. And we're going to open it up. And it's a little wand, a little brush on it. So you just kind of brush it on your lashes. So let's say if this was our lash line, just brush it there like that. So this is something that you would probably do in the evening, right before you go to bed after you've done your normal facial routine of cleaning your face and stuff like that, and you go in and you put the lash enhancer so that way it stays on pretty much all day and it can go ahead and enhance your lashes and probably makes your lashes grow. So I'll do a review on that just to see if I see any results in my lashes, natural lashes getting any longer. Okay, so that was our first item. Now our second item in the box, it's called Booty Drops. Booty Drops. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I don't know if I just drop it on my booty. Is it gonna make my booty big? Let's see. Let's see what this is. It's called Booty Drops Firming Body Oil by Frank Body. It says Firming Body Oil, Caffeine, a butt forklift, grapeseed oil for baby soft booty. Okay, so my booty is supposed to be soft with this. So let's open it up. I just want to see if it has some type of fragrance to it or something, see what it looks like. So it comes in this cute little jar. I think it's a cute little jar. It kind of looks like a little baby bottle. And we're going to open it up. And I just want to see what it smells like. Just curious. It's got little drops. Little drop bottles. Little drop oil. It doesn't have a smell. Just a plain, no smell really to me. It's nothing fragrant or anything like that, but hopefully it'll make my booty soft. That's what it says. So this actually retails for $17.95 for the Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Okay, there we have it. That's number 2. Now, number 3 is called Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It's a CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Okay, so I have on lipstick right now, so I won't be able to put it on, but I just opened it. It didn't have a safety seal. It's kind of strange. I can't tell if that was previously opened or was it just sunken in. I'm not really sure, but usually all the products that I purchased from Boxy Charm would have a safety seal, but it didn't on this particular one. Okay, so I'm gonna trust that this brand, whoever it truly is, just didn't put safety seal on it. I just don't believe anybody would open it and do anything like that. It's this particular company. It's just probably the way that the manufacturers packaged it. So leave a comment in the comment section. If you subscribe to this box and you got this Truly Pineapple Haze, did it have a safety seal on it? Just put it in the comments. I would really like to know. Okay, so this Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter, it actually retails for $16. So this little thing here is 16 bucks. Okay. And our next item in the box is from Manakadar, and it looks like a facial mist. I love the hydrating face mists. So I'm gonna open that up because I'm curious to see what that smells like. Usually these smell good. Any type of facial mist. This is a mist that you put on after you have applied your makeup and you just want to set everything to keep it in place and avoid anything. I actually didn't put on any setting spray today, so I'm gonna test this one out myself and see what it's like. And it has a pretty good smell to it. It actually kind of smells a little rosy scent to it. So it's a nice little cooling scent, and my face feels a little cool. So I would probably just sometimes when it gets really hot out, when I'm coming in and just kind of refresh my face, just spray a little of this finishing mist on just to see how that looks. But yes, let's see what this retails for. So the Manakadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist retails for $19. Okay. And our last and final item in the Boxy Charm, you know we always get some kind of a palette of some sort. So let's see what we got this time. So looks like we got something from Laura Geller. And it is the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. And it has the different color names on the back of the packaging. And I'm going to open it up and just see what the actual palette itself, the packaging, what it looks like and stuff like that. So this is the packaging, Laura Geller. She always has a really nice, subtle, professional looking shiny kind of palettes, and I like that. It's just a very nice basic look, and these are the colors. So some basic little colors, you can see that. Now there are some shimmers and some mattes in there from what I can tell. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 mattes or I'm sorry, 6 metallics, and the rest are mattes. Just so you can see that. And it comes with a nice mirror, nice cool mirror. And I'll probably do a review on the eye look with this palette. Now this palette actually retails for $45. So there you have it. 5 full-size items in our Boxy Charm box. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items from Boxy Charm. So if you found this video helpful, just go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and share button. It helps me, but it doesn't hurt you. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time.